in my room because they said one wipe of this and one squirt of this and one drop of this, then one mop of this and one broom of this. It'll be gone. And so one. Gotta do it twice. I gotta do it 3 times. Okay, correct. And I did it wrong. Gotta get up. Oh no. Oh no. 1 second. Oh no. Okay, whatever. So, bye. So,